Today we're going to apply a template to a batch in NXT WebView. So I will navigate to Gift Batch Entry, choose the batch that I want. I'm applying a template to a batch of online gifts, particularly event donations that were created through an online giving form. And I will open the batch, edit batch gifts. Then I can apply a template that I have created. And it is called Event Registrations, Apply, and it's going to add in the package, let me see a comment, and choose an acknowledgement letter or the gifts that I need. We're going to choose the gala acknowledgement letter. Real quick, I don't need to do anything to these gifts. These gifts were processed and the money has already made its way to BBNXT. Our policy for this org is that the gift date stays the same. Neither of these are anonymous. All of this stays. So I could go ahead, save and review, and this batch is ready to commit. Thanks so much.